Hi guys, today I'm teaching you how to work with dry clay, as easy as it gets. I never worked with clay before. There are various types of clay, oven clay, and so forth. But today I'm helping you guys use the dry clay. So I created two items out of this dry clay, but today I'm teaching you how to create one of those. And you can use it to place it anywhere you want. It's infinite creations that you can do with the dry clay. Anyways, check it out. Let me know what you think. I loved it, how it turned out, and I hope you guys will do too. Missed you guys. I'll see you on my next video, and don't forget to check me out and follow me here on my YouTube page and also on my Instagram account, Anna's House DIY. I'll see you on my next video, and I hope you have a great time watching this video. Bye.